Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates deeply with all of us: overcoming adversity.
Whether you're facing personal challenges, professional setbacks, or global crises, this video is for you. Let's get started. Adversity comes in many forms. It could be a personal setback, a health crisis, or even a global pandemic. But it also has the power to strengthen us, to teach us resilience, and to propel us forward towards growth and transformation. One of the most inspiring stories of overcoming adversity is that of Nick Vujicic. Born without arms and legs, Nick faced countless challenges and obstacles throughout his life. But instead of letting his circumstances define him, Nick chose to define himself. He embraced his differences, learned to adapt, and became a source of inspiration and hope for millions around the world. Resilience, often described as the ability to bounce back from adversity, is a crucial trait that we all need to develop. Resilient individuals have a strong sense of self-belief, a positive outlook on life, and the determination to persevere in the face of obstacles. So, how can we cultivate resilience and overcome adversity in our own lives? Adopt a growth mindset, where you see challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Believe in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. Surround yourself with supportive and positive individuals who uplift you and encourage you. Lean on your friends, family, and community for support during challenging times. Prioritize self-care and make your physical and mental health a priority. Engage in regular exercise, eat a balanced diet, and practice mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress. Set clear, achievable goals for yourself and create a plan of action to achieve them. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps, and celebrate your progress along the way. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Keep a gratitude journal, practice positive affirmations, and surround yourself with positivity. In conclusion, overcoming adversity is not an easy journey, but it's a journey that is worth taking. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. Remember that you have the strength within you to overcome any adversity that comes your way, and that your setbacks are just stepping stones towards your success. Remember, you are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and keep overcoming adversity with grace, courage, and resilience. Stay strong, stay positive, and never stop believing in the power of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.